Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread with an air fryer. First, gather your essential ingredients like flour, yeast, water, and salt. Next, combine them and mix the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Then, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot until it has doubled in volume. This initial rise is crucial for a light and airy texture. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down to release the air. Now, shape it into your desired loaf size, ensuring it fits comfortably in your air fryer basket. Line the basket with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Place the shaped dough inside and air fry it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. This first bake helps to establish a firm crust. After the initial bake, carefully flip the bread over in the air fryer basket. Continue air frying at the same 300 degrees Fahrenheit for another 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. To confirm it's fully cooked, an instant-read thermometer inserted into the center should register 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a perfectly baked loaf. Once your delicious air fryer bread is baked to perfection, immediately transfer it to a wire rack. It's essential to let it cool completely before slicing. This prevents a gummy texture and allows the internal structure to set properly. Patience is key for the best results. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the amazing Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.